I'll be going for the very first time to sail on a lake here nearby Strandstein in Gmunden. It's actually very nearby a very beautiful church. Let me just show you. You see, this church here is very famous here in Gmunden because of its beauty and where it is located in the lake. And just on the side up there is Strandstein. Just up here, it's a very tall mountain, about 1,200 meters. Looks so beautiful. As we are sailing, I'll also take you through and tell you some stories and let you know whatever is needed during sailing. Not only that, but also I'm going to be sailing with some amazing people, and this is something I've always been looking forward to. What really happens during sailing? What is the purpose of the wind in this case? How do the sails work? How is everything, being done on the lake as people are sailing? That's what I'm going to be telling you in this video. So just keep watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, click the bell icon so that you're notified every time I push out a new video. See you in the video. Oh wait, what's this now happening to me? Am I being attacked? Am I being attacked? I think these are the gods of the lake attacking me. Anyway, this is the harbor. That's what I should call it, I think. So many sailing boats. The most interesting thing about where I am right now is that this lake is called Tronsea, and there is another one called Attersee. But the most thing that stands out on both these lakes is that the water is so clean and clear. Let me just show you. You see that? That is clean, clear water. Attersee is about 50-60 meters below, but this here is so deep. But regardless of it being that deep, and regardless of how many people are swimming and using this lake, it still maintains its cleanliness. And that's what I really love about coming over here to Tronsea. But today we are here for another activity, and that is going to be sailing. And the weather looks so good. I've just been told that the wind is good also. I would not say that good, but it's going to be enough wind for the sail, or for the boat, or for the sailing boat actually. I'm actually realizing that it requires a lot of work to run this sailing boat, like to sail on the water, because there is some kind of mathematics with the wind. Now, for example, the wind is low, or it has kind of gone low, so we had to change to another kind of sail. This in red. It's called spinnaker. So, and there are so many ropes running around here, so you have to know which rope to pull where and how. There is even a small one. This I had to pull this in order to tie to close up one of the veil or sail or whatever. But it's interesting. If you are watching from afar, you may think it is easy, but it's actually not really that easy to sail. I'm told you need at least 3 or sometimes even 4 people for the boat to run comfortably, but I hear also some other people can do it single-handedly, which I think would also be a lot of work, especially if the wind is too much. But now it looks like we are gaining shape back again. You see those boats coming just on the other side? Those are actually in a competition. There is one boat in the front there is monitoring how they are driving or they are sailing. I'm also seeing another speedboat that is trying to follow up on the sailings or the sailing boats. We are not part of them, but oh well, I hope it is safe for us. And I was thinking they are going to crash into us, but that wasn't the case anyway. So anyway, boats can also corner, they can brake, they can turn. It feels good to be here and just seated on a sailing boat for the very first time. It's such a good experience. This thing can really be fast. be fast. And from afar it looks very easy to, operate. Is it the right word? To ride, to sail. Behind are the awesome people in control. Really awesome sailors. And I'm told this boat was acquired in the 50s, around the 50s. And some of the people on this boat were just little babies when this boat was just acquired. And maybe I'll come back to that. You see that chopper? Here in Austria, it's actually very common. In fact, the place where I'm staying currently, there is a hospital, and after 1 or 2, 3 days, I'm seeing an ambulance, which is a chopper ambulance. I don't know what this is for, but also most times the rescue choppers going in the mountains to rescue people or something like that. So in fact, the other day when I was at this place, Hellstadt, there were some choppers I saw too that had come to rescue some people. And I think I have to turn so I don't have to fall in the water. So anyway, I was still telling you that some people here, some people on this boat have been sailing for years and years, and forever. It's a fun activity. And for me, I'm here celebrating 30 minutes of experience. Anyway, experience grows with me. Some of you may argue that I was not sleeping, but me, I will not argue with you. Life is simple, I'll make it complicated. Actually making a turn. For direction or what is, and for as long as the wind is there, everything seems to be fine. We are not burning any fuel, just the wind and the sails, and enjoying the views of the lake. This is the time to change. I think we are going to turn, so the sails have to change the other side. So just watch and see how it's done. Fast procedure, so you have to react and be quick, otherwise if you, as me who is just seated, you can just end up in the water. But it's fun. It's fun. I didn't really time when we started the sail, but it's been a while. I think 1 or 2 hours or something. And now we are going back to the harbor, and this has to come to an end. But it's been an experience. Yeah. It's been awesome, and the views, the sun, the weather has been good, the wind has been good. Just looking forward to do this some other time. Ciao. Okay, so time for swimming. Whoop. This lake is cold. The water is like 8 degrees, I think, or something. But it's fun to come here to swim. Now let me go enjoy. I'll switch off the camera and see you later.